to today's training. So you're all welcome to today's training. So we're going to be discussing about uh, how to install uh, themes and plugins today. How do you install themes and plugins? So yeah, let's go straight to the point. So yeah, if you want to locate your theme, remember this is still a fresh WordPress. We've not added anything. This is the way it was installed. So if you want to locate where your theme is, the last time we were introducing each of the tools here, we talked about going to the appearance and then to the themes. So if you go to the appearance and then you click on the themes, you're going to locate all the themes that see now the themes you are seeing here are the themes that defaultly came with the installation of the WordPress when we did the installation. So these are the themes that came with the installation. So now we are not going to use any of this theme. Obviously, these are not the themes we use, so we're going to delete them. So first of all, I'm going to use Freedom to show you how to delete a theme you don't want. So it's very simple. Just click on the theme, and then you're going to see a delete button. Click on the delete. Then you're going to see a pop-up asking you if you want to delete it. Just select OK, and that particular theme will be deleted. So we're going to repeat the same action for this one too. So select OK, and that will also be deleted. Now, if you want to add new theme, we're going to click on the theme back here. So I want to go back to the, yeah, since we have deleted all the theme, we're just having one theme only. That's why it's appearing this way. So we want to add in a new theme. How do I add in a new theme? Now, after hovering on the appearance and coming to the theme section, then you're going to see add new theme button at the top. So you select that add new theme button. Then you'll be taken to the WordPress theme repository. It's like a library of free themes where you can select whichever theme you want to use. So you're going to see lots of themes here. Now, just for clarity's sake, what you are seeing here, most of those themes, they are premium state. Premium meaning they are paid version. Most of the themes, what you're seeing is their premium state, their paid version. So meaning if I should install this theme on my WordPress now from this free aspect, I click on this install from this free repository or free library I'm seeing here, I'm not going to get this kind of appearance from it. I'm not going to get this kind of feel that is showing me. This is their premium field just to get your attention so you can be able to pay and have access to the premium. But we're going to be using a lightweighted theme. For the purpose of this training, we're going to be downloading the Ocean WP theme. So when you click on this, how you install a theme. So by the time you see the particular theme you want to install, you can click here to install the theme. Then if you want to preview how the theme look like, Ocean WP is a simple theme. It's a lightweighted simple theme. So there's nothing that we are going to build it from scratch. So it's simple. That's the reason why we're selecting it. So let me show you something. Like for example, if you're looking at this particular theme, normally you're seeing some functions here. You can see the details and preview. Then you can see the install and preview button. So you can click on the theme to read more about it. Then it's going to take you to your customizer interface. This is your customizer interface, and then you'll be able to preview how the theme will look like. You can see the way it's looking. You can see the appearance. Now this is, remember I said this is a premium version of the theme. This is the way the premium version would look. Most of the theme, when you install them, you won't see this. You won't see a structure like this that you have to start editing. No, you only see that on the premium version. For some of them you might, for some of them you won't. So chance of seeing the ones that you will even see like this is very low. So if you want to go back to that theme repository, you click on this X button here, representing the console. So you leave that interface, it brings you back to the theme repository, and that's it. So whichever one you want to install, you click on install, or you can also click on this preview to see. Let's click on the preview. So it will still take me to that same place and show me how it looks like. So the same way, either you click on preview from here or you click on details and preview from here. So to still show you. So now we are going to install this Ocean WP theme. So you want to install the theme, just click on install. And then you wait for it, just give it some time to get installed. So once this theme is installed, it's going to add to your library of already installed theme where we deleted those themes just now. It's going to add to that library, and then you are going to see a button asking you to activate. You can see currently there's no button, just install and preview. You can see it's not showing activate button because you have installed it. So we are not going to activate it here. Let's go back to our theme repository, our library of installed theme already. So let's click on these themes here. So you see now it is not appearing here because we have installed it. It has not been added to the list of installed themes that we have. So, but you can see that whatever theme is in this position is the active theme. You can see active in front of this theme, and this one you don't see anything like active. So we're going to be swapping it. This is the theme we're going to be using. So we're going to swap now. So we click on this activate. So it's going to change, it's going to take the position of the active theme now and become the active theme. So you can see it has become the active theme. Now this is as simple as it is. This is the way you install theme on WordPress. So the second way is, remember this particular one, we went to the repository, the WordPress library, theme library, by selecting the add new theme button here. So there's another way you can also get a theme into your WordPress without going to the theme repository the theme repository the way we did it by selecting the add new button here. So you can download a theme outside of your WordPress. Let's go to the WordPress.org website. You can download it anywhere. I'm just using the WordPress.org website as an example because we can download free themes there. That's the reason why I'm using that as an example. So you could decide to buy a theme. You could decide to go to any website to buy a particular theme that you want to use. So I'm going to be using the WordPress.org website just to demonstrate that to us. So let's say we go to the WordPress.org. This is the WordPress.org website, WordPress website itself, the theme library. You can see the same free library you saw there. You can also see them here on the WordPress.org website. There are free themes that WordPress provides, but now we are not on our dashboard. We are in WordPress.org, totally different from our site. So if we come there, we are just going to download any one just for demonstration sake. So let's say we want to download this cadence. So we select it, they are all free. So instead of coming here to download it, you just do it on your repository. But this is a demonstration of showing you how to be able to upload a theme when you download it outside of your dashboard. That's when you buy a theme from a different site and you want to install, you want to bring it into your site. So this is the same step you will take. So let's say you already have the theme now. I've downloaded this theme. So it will be downloaded to your PC, that's your laptop or your desktop directory. And mind you, the theme is going to be downloaded in a zip file. Don't unzip the file unless there's an instruction for you to unzip the file. And if there's an instruction for you to unzip the file, it means that there will be an inner zipped file inside of that particular, there will be an inner zip file inside of that particular file that you are unzipping. So please take note of that. So take note of that, please. So now we've finished downloading that. So let's go back to our dashboard. So let's say we already have the downloaded theme now, and we want to bring it into our site. So all we need to do is also click on this add new themes. So add new theme, which will take you to the repository just like where you were before, the place where we went to download those themes. This is a library of free themes to take you here. Then look up, you're going to see the upload theme button there. You click on the upload theme button and then this will become visible where you'll be able to select file. So when you click on the select file, it will take you straight to your directory. So you have to search for where that particular file has been downloaded. You can see for me, it was downloaded on my download folder, and this is it. So you click on it, and then you click on open, and then the file automatically is added to the uh, your screen here, and then you click on install. So once you click on install, you give it time, just like how you install the theme from the library. This will also get installed. So once this is installed, it will automatically be added to your already installed theme library. So just watch, it is installing. Let's just give it some time. So these are the two ways you can bring a theme into your WordPress. So either you are taking it from the WordPress repository, which is the library where you go to and then you download it, or you've downloaded the theme from an external site and you want to upload it. So those are the two options: either you're uploading or you're installing directly on your WordPress. So the choice is yours. So let's just wait. I will show you how this will look like. So after you click on install and it has finished installing, a screen will pop up to tell you that it has been installed successfully. You can see installing theme for upload file, this, and then when you scroll down here, you are going to see unpacking the package, installing the theme. It's a zip file, so they have to unpack it first, then install it, and then theme is successfully installed. So then we are going to go back to theme page. So you see all the themes. Now it's going to be three themes there. The Ocean WP we installed, the 2025 that was previously there, and then this cadence that we just installed. So you can see here, okay, 2024, not 2025. This is the Ocean WP, this is the cadence, and this is the 2024. So that is simply how you install a theme on your WordPress. And mind you, remember that in the first class, while we're explaining what a theme is, we said a theme takes care of the structure of your site. So before you install a theme, you want to see the structure of that theme, if it's the structure of what you want for your site. The only reason why we're using Ocean WP for this training is because it's basic. There's nothing on it. We can build from scratch what we want it to be, because we are going to be building everything we want from scratch. I'm going to be demonstrating that to you. So, yep. So that's that for how to install a theme into your WordPress. Thank you. See you in the next video.